An electric brake controller is an essential device when it comes to towing safety. Mounted in your tow vehicle, an electric brake controller provides power to your trailer's brakes every time you press the pedal. Without one, your trailer's brakes won't activate, and that can quickly turn a routine stop into a dangerous situation. But not all brake controllers are the same. So how do you know which one's right for your setup? If you mostly tow on paved roads, REDARC's Tow-Pro Liberty is a great fit. This is a proportional controller designed for 12-volt systems. It's easy to install, integrates cleanly into your dash with an OEM look, and delivers reliable braking every time. Perfect for towing trailers with 1 to 2 axles, whether it's your work trailer during the week or a boat on the weekend. Now, if your towing adventures take you beyond the pavement and through sand, over gravel, or down long descents, you'll want more flexibility. That's where hybrid controllers come in. These give you both proportional and user-controlled braking modes. You can stick with automatic braking when the road's smooth, or switch to manual control when the terrain demands it. REDARC's Tow-Pro Elite is the go-to choice here. REDARC's flagship controller, Tow-Pro Elite offers dual-mode operation for ultimate control across all terrains. Designed for both 12 and 24-volt systems, it's compatible with trailers with 1 to 3 axles. It integrates seamlessly into your dash with an OEM finish. It's built for serious towers who need performance, no matter the conditions. For the full kit, check out the Tow-Pro Trail Kit. It bundles the Elite with a vehicle-specific wiring harness, switch insert, and mounting bracket, everything you need for a clean install. If you're looking for the latest in smart towing technology, the Tow-Pro Link has landed. Designed for 12-volt systems and trailers with up to 4 axles, Tow-Pro Link connects you directly via your 7-pin trailer plug, so there's no need for vehicle modifications. It features Bluetooth control, a built-in 6-axis sensor, and REDARC's advanced Sway Stop Plus technology for one-touch sway control, so you can keep both hands on the wheel when you need to most. So, which Tow-Pro is right for you? If you're towing on paved roads and want simplicity, go with the Liberty. If you need control across all terrains, choose the Elite. Want an Elite with a complete install solution? Grab the Trail Kit. Or, if you're after smart tech and an easy setup, the Link is for you. If you're still unsure which controller is the perfect match for your next adventure, head to REDARCelectronics.com.